I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the November 2021 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Stay Wild, and when you first open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate. Plus you have your code to get your digital downloads, which I'll show you some of those at the end. Next, we have this month's 5x7 art print. This was designed by artist Tori Artist, and it says Stay Wild, in keeping with this month's theme. Next, we have this pouch. This is a Teacher Care Crate exclusive. It has an abstract design with a tiger. It says Stay Wild down there. Zipper pouch, perfect for organizing your purse or your teacher desk, or even creating a little self-care kit for your desk. Next, we have a set of 3 greeting cards. These were also from artist Tori Artist. And when we open up these, there are 3 of these, and they are designs for different occasions. We have Go Get 'em Tiger for some encouragement, happy birthday party animal, and a thank you card, as well as envelopes to go with those. Next, we have hand sanitizer. I try to feature this a couple times a year because I know as teachers we go through these a lot, and often in our classroom we'll have these big hand sanitizers for students. But I think as the teacher, it's nice to have your own in one that has a nice scent. This one is rosemary and orange, and this is from Wilder & Co. Next, we have a jotter pen. You guys loved these. I think it was in the July crate. We had 2 of these, and this one is done in the same style, so it kind of goes with those if you also have those 2. It's metallic and gold, and it says Wild and Free. Next, we have this set of makeup remover pads, and it comes in this little drawstring bag. There are 4 of these, and these are basically the reusable version of sort of those little cotton rounds. So these are great. You can use one of these to wash your face, take your makeup off, and then what I do, this is what I use at home, is keep the clean ones in a jar, and then after you've used one, put it in this little pouch, and then once it's full, you can throw this whole thing in the washing machine and the dryer, and that keeps them from getting lost. Okay. And our treat for this month, always subscribers request chocolate. We can only do it in the colder months, and I think this is the biggest chocolate we've ever featured. It says no problema, in keeping again with our Stay Wild theme, and it is a milk chocolate s'mores flavor. And then, as I mentioned, your subscription also includes a collection of digital downloads. Each month there are desktop wallpapers. I believe we have 5 this month. And then in addition to that, we have a printable prep planner. There are 2 versions of this. One says prep planner and one says weekly planner. And the idea behind this is just by planning out your planning time at school allows you to use that time a little bit more efficiently so that you have more time to focus on yourself and rest at home. So there's that, and then we also have an activity that can be for you or your students. There's a few different differentiated versions of this. What it is a thankfulness coloring activity. It says I am thankful, and then there's room on all of the animals to fill in things you are thankful for. So again, you can just do that for yourself, or you can use that kind of as a Thanksgiving activity with your students. So in this month's crate, you have your digital downloads, you have your chocolate bar, reusable makeup rounds, your gold jotter pen, hand sanitizer, your set of 3 greeting cards. I can't wait to send these to some people. Your canvas pouch, your art print, and of course just your info card. So if you have not already subscribed, make sure you head to teachercarecrate.com by November 14th and sign up to get this Stay Wild November 2021 Teacher Care Crate. Thanks for watching.